Dr. Sulakhe, many colleges invest heavily in modern lab equipment across campuses. Yet, even after investment, these labs remain unused or underutilized in many institutes. Yes, Dr. Jagya, this is a very common issue in engineering education today. Institutes invest in machines, but real usage remains very limited. Students mostly visit labs only during exams or scheduled sessions. They perform experiments and then leave without deeper practice. Machines remain idle for most of the academic year. This creates a gap between investment and actual skill development. From your experience, what are the key reasons behind low utilization of lab equipment? Why do these advanced labs fail to deliver expected learning outcomes for students? One major reason is the lack of proper faculty training on new technologies. Faculty may not feel confident to operate or demonstrate advanced machines. Another reason is the absence of structured skill-based learning modules. Students only complete formal experiments without real application practice. Fear of machine damage also leads to restricted access for students. All these factors together reduce the effectiveness of laboratories. Do you think the problem is only about machines, or is there a deeper system issue? How should institutes rethink laboratories to make them more effective learning spaces? A laboratory is not just a collection of machines or physical infrastructure. It should function as a complete learning system for skill development. Without training, content, and regular practice, machines lose their value. Students need guided exposure and repeated hands-on experience. Institutes must shift from setup mindset to usage mindset. Only then labs can contribute to real engineering skills. What practical steps can institutes take to improve lab usage and student engagement? How can they ensure that students gain real skills instead of just completing experiments? Institutes should start with regular faculty development and technical training programs. Confident faculty can guide students effectively during practical sessions. Structured learning modules should be designed from basic to advanced levels. Simulation tools should be introduced before real machine exposure. Students must practice repeatedly to build confidence and competence. This approach ensures active labs and better learning outcomes. Finally, how does CADMECH help institutes solve this problem in a complete way? What makes your approach different from only supplying lab equipment to colleges? At CADMECH, we focus on complete solutions rather than just providing machines. We offer training programs for faculty and students on modern technologies. We provide simulation software and structured learning modules for practice. Our systems ensure continuous engagement inside laboratory environments. We aim to make labs active centers of skill development in institutes. This helps colleges create truly industry-ready engineers.